Hey mathematicians, let's do your math homework. Okay, so the first problem is a picture form of your equation. So we have an x, we have 1, 2, 3 negative circles, so it's a negative 3, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 positives. Now, this is for the folks who aren't so observant. We'd have to write it all out. However, you also have it written in two different places. There and there. So that's kind of like confirmation that we wrote it down correctly, but also you could have just noticed this and started from there. So we need to solve it. X minus 3 equals 10. The opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Quick double check, is 13 minus 3 10? Yes, it is. So that's our solution. Don't tell me it's 7. I know that 10 minus 3 is 7, but you're not doing the opposite of minus 3 is minus 3 because those aren't opposites. That's the same. Number 2, reading. Really, it's just asking you to solve that inequality. So go ahead and show your work. I will not accept an answer that's just randomly circled. You have to have work on the page. Number 3, the area of a rectangular sign. Area, rectangular means it's describing a rectangle. I know that formula. Area equals base times height. Okay, the area is 51. 51 equals, the base is 6. 6 times, what is the height? Oh, we don't know. This is an equation. How do we isolate h and figure out our height? Well, 6 times h, so the opposite of times is divide both sides by 6. 51 divided by 6 will give you your solution. Number 4 is where I really want to spend our time. It's a lot of reading and a lot of understanding. Deirdre has always wanted to donate her hair to a charity that makes hair pieces for children who have suffered hair loss. So there are lots of charities out there where you can take your really long hair and cut it off and be like, here, this bit can go to make a wig for somebody who probably lost their hair due to an illness or due to cancer or something like that. This charity requires that the donated hair be at least 10 inches long, because if you cut off this much hair, that's not going to really make a whole big wig for someone. So it has to be at least 10 inches. You can donate more than 10 inches, but you can't donate less than 10 inches. Deirdre wants her remaining hair to be 9 1/4 inches long. That's kind of weirdly precise, but Deirdre gets to decide what she needs about her hair. So here's Deirdre. She wants her hair to be 9 1/4 inches long after they've taken, watch my beautiful art. Oh, look, there's some scissors. Wow, Miss Douglas should have been an art teacher. After they've cut off her donated hair. Now, her donated hair needs to be at least 10 inches long. So, the shortest that her hair can be is these two together. 10 plus 9 1/4 is 19 1/4. So we're looking at this option, or this option. Not this one. Can her hair be exactly this long? Does she have enough to cut off 10 inches and still have 9 1/4 left? Yes, that's possible. So we're going to eliminate this answer choice that says it's not possible to be exactly 19 1/4 inches long beforehand. Can her hair be shorter? If she had 15 inches of hair, can she cut off 10 inches and still have 9 1/4 inches left? No. Can her hair be longer? Sure, she can cut off 12 inches and still have 9 1/4 inches left if her hair was longer than 19 1/4 to start with. So this one's our solution. Last problem. Ms. Michaels gave out 54 flower bulbs. That's like the root system before a flower actually blooms. So kind of like the seeds for flowers. 54 of them, she gave them to different students. Each student gets 4. Here, you get 4. Next kid gets 4. Next kid gets 4. I don't want any extras. No leftovers. How many kids can you hand 4 to? Handing out, distributing is a division problem. So we are going to divide 52 divided by 4. Will tell you how many kids you're allowed to have in the science club so that you can give 4 flower bulbs to everybody. And that's it. That's our homework.